Apple just unveiled the new iPhone 15 with a price tag of $800. But how much does it actually cost? First, let's check it out. Here it is, iPhone 15. Looks pretty nice. It doesn't look that much different than the iPhone 14. It's a solid device, but instead of giving Apple your $800, you can invest it. Now stick with me. I know you don't like hearing this, but you can put it in this right here, S&P 500. It would be very easy to do. You don't have to know what you're doing. You don't have to be a good investor. You just put it in here, S&P 500. You put it in there and you forget about it. Wait for 40 years and your $800 can turn into, wait for it, drum roll please, $25,000. The S&P 500 has gotten over 9% per year. So your $800 would turn into $25,000. However, there's a caveat. There's a little something called taxes and also inflation. So after adjusting for taxes and inflation, that $800 iPhone would actually cost you about $9,000. And that's real. That I'm not exaggerating, that you can actually turn $800 into $9,000. Yes, it's going to take a long time, about 40 years, but you basically don't have to do anything. You can invest that money, forget about it. 40 years later, you've got $9,000. So if you're 25 years old today, you're essentially giving yourself a $9,000 present on your 65th birthday. Let's say you get the new iPhone every single year. You get the 12, the 13, the 14. Just skip the 15 and then wait for the 16. That can give you $9,000 when you're 65. I know it's hard to think 40 years from now, but it's really not that hard. And this way of thinking is what makes the rich get rich. This is an example of something that's called opportunity cost. Rich people understand this. You can use this principle whether you're buying a new phone, a new car, a new purse, a new this, a new that. It's called opportunity cost, and you have to think like rich people think, okay? So I'm a millionaire, and I give myself this haircut, for example. Wow. I can go spend the money. I understand compound interest and passive income. That $40 or $50 that I would have spent, maybe some people do it once every week. That compounds. I can just do it myself. So is this iPhone 15, is it really worth $9,000? If you already have the iPhone 14, just stick with the iPhone 14. Maybe wait till the 16. This doesn't seem that much better. It's got the dynamic island. Okay, that's cool. It's not worth $9,000. It's got... It does have a better camera, significantly better, but you can still wait for the 16. Now, I personally might actually think about buying this because I do understand opportunity cost and compound interest. However, I invest a lot. So I do invest a lot of money, and hopefully 40 years from now, I will have much, much more. So this $9,000 will hopefully be insignificant. So I'm not saying for sure don't buy this new iPhone, but when you understand it's going to cost you $9,000, it'll make you think twice. And we're just talking about the base model. Also, if you're a better investor, let's say you invest in real estate and you use leverage, you can get a better return on investment. Therefore, the opportunity cost is even higher. So it's not $9,000, it's even more. So the better you are at investing, the more this phone costs. So buy it, don't say I didn't warn you.